Hello, I'm Shelley, Steps behind the camera.
Hi.
And today we're going to put together a cabinet from IKEA Master. It's 30 centimetres wide and we've got our own cabinet front. We've put both sides of the cupboard in front of us. This is where the back will be, so they're joining together. Then we're going to attach the rails, one down the bottom and one further up by about hole number 11, and we'll show you that exactly in the film. Now we're going to start with the base of the cupboard. We've got 6 of these pieces and 6 dowels. First of all, we're going to put the 6 dowels in. They're always here next to these big holes. And then afterwards, we're going to put these in these round holes, and the 6 of each to put in. Now we're going to screw these screws in these little holes at the bottom of the cupboard. We're now going to attach the wall bracket. In the instructions it tells you to do it different, but this is the way we like to do it. To screw the base of the cabinet to the sides of the cabinet. To finish the cupboard, we're going to attach these 2 metal bits. We're going to build the inside of the cupboard together now. For that we need these 4, 2 different backs and these 2 boards. This is the front of our cabinet. We're going to drill the holes now so that we can attach the drawers to it. With this unit, IKEA send a template with it. The template has one corner that is rounded, so you always know that this corner goes in the corner. We put it down here on the bottom, and here we're going to drill all those where A is on it, turn it over on the other side, and also all the ones that have got A on it. And then for the top, we turn it over again, and here we've got B's, and we drill all the holes where B's are, and on the other side as well is everything B. These have got to go on, and one goes here, and on these 3 holes the other one goes there and are screwed into place. Okay. And these 2 are attached, one here, and they're attached just with the 2 holes here, and this one over here also attached with the 2 holes just of here. Take these, they're going up the top here, and we're going to use just the top 2 holes. They go here like this, and on the other side like that. And then these plastic ones, they have screws put in the top 2 holes only, so they go on here, and the next lot of 2 holes up here, and everything is screwed tightly into place. We're ready to click the drawers into place. This is the bottom of our cabinet, so the bigger one goes at the bottom and the smaller one goes here at the top. They're just pressed into position and click in. Once they're in, then we've got 4 of these. They go 2 on each side here, and they are also clicked into position in these plastic bits. The last piece to be attached is this piece. It's a piece of metal that goes across here in the middle and is screwed in position.